Okay, we're gonna go into the woods for a little walk here. It's a nice snowy day. And when it snows, we find that to be the best time to walk to our creek because then the snow smashes down all the grass and clears all the weeds for us. Not to mention the snow makes for an exciting walk. Is that Mickey or Wawa? You cozy? Okay, let's see if we can. Ew. Let's see if we can get down there.
Beautiful back here.
Try to watch Landon get down the hill. He did it.
Did it.
Oh, why? Hi. I just wasn't planning on getting down, but I'm being rescued. My knight in shining Chiefs wear.
It's more dangerous out here.
It's more dangerous than previously thought. Whoa, I barely made it out alive. Whoa, Remy is officially in the creek. And by face first, he means feet first. No. Yeah, he weighs more than her, probably. Oh. She wants to touch it. It's not super deep, but this is the entertainment when you live in the country and there's nothing to do. We ice skate on the creek. Yeah, but it's like mud underneath there. It's not really water.
How many people in this hole?
Let's see. Oh crap, Max went in the water! Oh no! He went in the slushy stuff! What a
Remy's gonna die.
He's like, alright. He's like, alright, I'm done. Let's go. So he went right in the slush. He was on max duty.
So this is Clover Lake Creek. And legend has it. There's a creature that lives down here.
What's he
Clover
look
Lake
like?
Creek creature.
Has anyone ever
It's
seen
scary.
him before?
He comes out to this exact spot.
We've seen him before.
Oh. We have, I thought. Oh, yeah, you're right. That's why Max was running away. He thought he heard him.
When we saw him, it's usually all the way back at the end of it. I can do that too.
Why, do you want to side?
Froze on
Woohoo! You're doing it! Oh, he's like making a little foot angel.
Oh gosh, I am falling. Don't go.
Look, his little foot angel.
He tried.
Whoa! I fell. Why? You look so cozy. This girl is in no coat and she's taking off her gloves. It's like she's wearing the thinnest leggings ever. All right, it's been fun. No, I'm going.
I'm not wet.
I'm leaving you guys.
Hey, mommy,
Oh no.
that was so
Maybe
fun.
if there's like a blizzard or something.
Mommy, that was so fun.
That was so fun.
Where's Max?
Right there. Whoa, are these the Clover Lake Creek creatures' paw prints?
Mom, stop playing dumb. I'm serious. It's real. Go find it. I'm running out of
Roller skating.
I almost fell.
It's called ice skating.
My nose is running. Got any boogers? What the frick is that?
Ever.
Remy, I dare you to do a snow angel right here.
She has like no clothes on.
Wait a minute.
And then she goes under and is like,
We actually going on all your body. I watched survival shows that actually keeps it from crashing.
Probably.
weight
Used to weight more
distribution.
Yeah, I watched her.
Alright.
That one time.
No, I watch all the shows.
Whoa, get my way out of there.
Daddy, ball up to you.
That's a cheap shot. If I get hit by one of these.
Don't go, Max, don't go. Here, Dad, try and throw it at me.
Okay.
Oh! I got hit.
Who got hit?
Me. How do you get snow? You look around, man.
That's snow. Are you sure they're right there?
Yeah, they hit me with snow.
Wait, can I feel it? Hey, why is the mama? It tastes really good.
Like 3 to 4 inches.
Why is the mama? It tastes really good. Mom, why is the
Yeah, I didn't see it. No thanks.
But today,
Mm. Don't pick up yellow snow.
I got a good touch.
I got double shot. Hit on that and bounce on water.
You should feel bad. What a jerk. Go in the water.
Guys, this area is slushy. My hands feel dirty. That is for that.
No, Daddy didn't throw it. Sissy did.
Here, let me see. She's farted. Heather? I can't quiet that out if that's what you're thinking. Am I right? Did you
No.
really?
No.
It looked like you did.
I'm so stupid.
I'm out of here!
Whoa! Whoa, Max! Max just made me go in the water.
Like what?
I'm ready to go in now.
Is that good?
Now this is ice. No, not one. It's like a snow cone. We go into the house and we then out here and bye.
Bye.
Get the cover low and hit the sky about. Bye.
Heard something rustling in the bushes. I think we're being watched. Better go quick. Guys, I think we should go. I think we're being watched.
Alrighty, we made it out. Made it out of the... barely made it out alive. But yeah, it's nice to come out, walk through the woods during the snowy weather. Get to see stuff from a different perspective. What's wrong? He's frozen with fear. He's stuck. But anyway, so that's today's video. Huh? Yeah. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you all in the next one.